Wow.
Punta dalawa, balik isa na lang.
Cool. Yeah. Hello vlog.
Hello vlog!
Hi guys, makintab na araw sa inyong lahat. So for today guys, ka-adventure tayo. Pupunta tayo ng
Adventure!
muna. So actually, ang pinsan ko kasi galing States. So doctor siya doon but kakatapos siya lang ng studies niya. Kaya magbabakasyon muna siya bago siya magtuloy-tuloy sa trabaho. And samahan natin siya. Tara! Oh fudge! It's an adventure! Late na kami!
That's why.
Wow, that's our plane. That's well late. So guys, yung flight natin supposedly, sabi sa app, 2:20. Buti na lang narinig ni Nina na tinatawag na kami kasi alis na daw. Pero ano pa lang, 1:45 pa lang.
Boarding kasi.
Boarding pala, sorry. O yan, nakahabol naman. Adventure to ah. Where's Kevin? What's up? So guys,
Vlog!
andito na tayo sa
Saan?
Siargao. Guys, nandito tayo sa Sea.
West Philippines?
Sea?
Sea.
Sea. So guys, samahan nyo kami. Hanapin natin yung pinsan ko kasi nawawala siya.
Nauna na siya.
Nawala na siya. Let's try to enjoy this place, guys. Let's go! Dito na. Bag natin. Dito na tayo. Hi guys, dito tayo. Tapos nakuha na natin yung bag natin and we're traveling. What adventure lies ahead. Yeah. Ito si Kevin. Pinsan ko. Welcome! Welcome! And so, what are we gonna do now? Kailangan natin magbayad guys sa environmental fee, 30 pesos lang naman. So, kababa niya ng airport, merong 30 pesos na environmental fee doon. And then, sa labas, guys, marami ng van na pwede nyo sakyan. Depende sa saan kayo pupunta here at Siargao. And guys, piece of advice lang, nabasa ko sa isang vlog na ATMs here can run out really fast. Kaya magdala na po kayo ng mga cash nyo. Although may GCash naman, pero just to be safe, kasi minsan sa mga ibang transport, baka di sila tumatang GCash. Yeah. That's our ride, guys.
Mag-operate yata si Kuya,
Hindi, para sa mga ano yan. Nasa province tayo, baka merong mga animals, kanya, unexpected, right? So tayo lang?
Oo.
Wow. Well, it's nice that we have our own van, all the van to ourselves, right? Wow. Hello po, sir. Magandang hapon. Kuya, pag ba nag-book sa resort po, kasama na talagang transfer from the airport?
Oo, yung sa inyo ngayon sa Kalinaw.
So every time magbubook ka sa Kalinaw, may transfer na.
Wala nang bayad.
Wow, ayos yung resort, sir ah. Sir, anong pwede natin gawin dito sa Siargao, sir?
Bukod sa kumain.
Bukod sa kumain, sir, anong masasuggest nyo?
Pasil-pasil, sir.
Anong papasyalan natin, sir?
Ano, sa mag-tour kayo o
Pwede.
Pwede.
Pero lang kami, Kuya.
Chill lang, sir, yung mag-enjoy tayo. Party-party mag-gabi. Saan maganda mag-party sa gabi?
Siargao Beach Club?
Has? Beach Club? Siargao Beach Club? Oh, guys, Siargao Beach Club. Kuya, ano po name nila, sir?
Noel po.
Noel, someone just took the L.
Noel, Kuya Noel. Kuya Noel, siya ang ating magpapasyal sa atin pupunta sa resort. Pero sir, eto yung ano ba yung kadalasang itutour natin dito? Alam niyo
Yung
yun?
sikat pero mga local lang na.
Oo, yung mga sikat sir, bilang Pilipino, yung di masyado alam ng mga foreigner ba?
Yung ano natin, magpupungko.
Magpupungko. Yung
Ay,
ano,
nakita ko yung pinanda doon sa ano.
Tapos, Sugbalagon.
Balagun.
Kunat View, yung human drone.
Oh, oy, may human drone, guys.
Masin River, yun na. Yun
Maasin River.
Pasig River.
Hindi, Maasin. Yung Pasig River, kay Mayor Vico yun. Mayor
Alam ko
Vico
Pasig
yun.
River.
People are friendly here. We've been to Davao before.
The gorillas.
Really? That those are in the forest. Or sometimes in the zoo. Nice kasi medyo maluwag-luwag. Imagine we have the van.
Saka maaraw dito.
Oo. Alam niyo ba sa sir, bumabagyo sa amin, sa Luzon.
May hangin dito na. Ganyan.
Pero at least di umuulan.
At least di umuulan, sir. Grabe, no? Parang ang sasarap ng mga isda dito.
Isda dito, hindi kailangan magtika ng dami.
Oo.
Kasi pag kinabukasan po, ano na naman, presko na naman.
Sariwa na naman, sir, no? Everyday fresh.
Kailangan bili ka dito, 1 kilo, ubusin mo isang araw.
Kumbaga, sir, yung pang-araw mo lang, eh, no? Na ano na yun, sir? Na-actionan na?
Hindi kinontrolan ng LTO. Binabantayan na ila.
Ng LTO, sir?
LTO.
Ah, LGU. Hindi, kuya, kasi alam niyo yung pinsan ko, single yun, eh.
Skating, yung dami ng...
Ha? Saan?
Malinaw.
Malinaw?
Nilaruan ng skating doon.
Ah, nag-skateboard. Skating.
Doon ang mga tao doon.
Skating, dumudo siya.
Tao doon sa...
So, tatingin mo, kuya, yung pinsan ko kasi, kuya, galing ibang bansa, eh, alam mo naman, nag-aaral siya na nag-aaral. So, sana namin siya mahanap ng baka sakaling makuha siya ng mapapangasawa niya, di ba? May mareto ka dyan, di ba? Madala na namin pabalik, kuya. Sakay na natin sa maleta, di ba?
Obserbahan ko dito, sir, pagpunta, 2. Balik, 1 na lang.
Ay, ganun, baliktad. Naku, delikado.
Pag merong pumunta doon 1, pagbalik, pag-uwi, 2 na. Nakahanap na yun.
Ah, nakahanap na yun. Kasi yung mga ano, parang gusto ng pinsan ko, mga local lang. Quality Pinoy yan. Quality Pinoy yan.
Dami mo kilala doon sa mga party-party.
Parte-parte.
Sige, mag-umpisa.
Mga alas 9.
Oo.
Saan? Ano pa nga? Parte-parte.
Siargao Beach Club is...
Beach Club. Yeah. We're gonna go to the Siargao Beach Club, guys.
For the party-party.
For the party.
Parang Bali, no?
Ayun, Tom and Tom. Oh yeah, looks like Bali. Bali bago. Cool. May pati yung bata, ang galing, oh. So guys, dito na tayo. Yan ba yan, kuya?
Ito, yung entrance na.
Ah, entrance.
Malaki yan.
Ah, malaki yan. Kuya Noel, thank you. Guys, si Kuya Noel, napabait. Lalaki ko dito yung number niya pag gusto niya i-book. Oo. Hello po, welcome po. Welcome sa amin.
How was your flight?
Okay naman po.
Sa reception?
Alright po. Thank you po. Kuya, wait lang.
Mamimiss kita eh. Go ahead, Kev.
Ito na lang. Sure? Kuya, thank you. Kuya Noel. Bye tayo, picture tayo, kuya. Picture tayo.
No.
Thank you, kuya.
Thank you,
Thank you. Chat ka namin, kuya. They have a restaurant. Ooh. Ano yan?
Please towel for the right.
Thank you po. Have a seat.
So,
No worries.
if you want to
Oh.
test for Siargao and you have friends and invite to your villa, just to let you know, since your private villa, it's allow only for our in-house guests. If you have visitors that will use the pool, it will be charged for cage, for food court cage and liquor court cage. Since we have a restaurant and we have in-house menu, so all the services will be happening in your villa. And we
Sabi namin na mini bar mo is parang
Okay.
for...
Pwede kung magdadala aming chicks, ma'am, pwede.
Okay lang naman. Yung mga porridge na namin is yung para talaga yung kain talaga.
Kain talaga. Nagdala kami lechon, ma'am. Nagdala kami lechon.
Pero kung
Corky.
magdala kayo ng lechon, sabihan nyo.
Yeah, siyempre, bibigyan namin kayo. Pero ma'am, kailangan ko yung tulong niyo, ma'am. Kasi ma'am, hahanap talaga namin ng ano to eh.
Totoo ba yan?
Oo, seryoso.
Naghahanap talaga kami.
Ano? Available ka, ma'am. Kau na lang, ma'am. Di na kami lalayo.
Miss Jude and this is Miss Guada. We are here in the reception. Okay.
Thank you po. Ano pangalan niyo, ma'am? Jovi Love. Jovi Love. You give love. Wow. Bro, it's a really nice place. Yeah. He's also Kapampangan, but he grew up in the States na. Ma'am,
So I think nakakantindi po ba siya ng Tagalog? Hindi.
not much.
Pampangan ng mas...
Kapampangan po.
Ma'am, pwede bang, boss, mag-English na lang ako about kasi ano. Hindi, okay lang. Okay
Go,
lang,
ma'am.
Magpaliwanag.
Oh, ma'am.
Okay lang din naman mag-English. Hindi, okay lang sir. Saka komportable lang.
Nakaka-komportable yung love. No.
Ito po yung pool namin, private infinity pool. Tapos kung gusto niyo po magsambit, pumunta lang po kayo doon kasi doon.
Wow.
Po yan. Lemon, cucumber, and po para pang-refresh.
Oh, ma'am.
Kami nang bahala, ma'am.
Yeah, may alcohol ba? Go.
Pag-refresh lang po galing airplane, ganun po. Sa kanya mabili, ma'am.
Yeah, yun. Yun.
Sige, ma'am.
I think they're gonna tour you, bro. So guys, ganda dito, men. Grabe, di ko na-expect to. Wow.
Kung gusto niyo mag-Netflix, ano yung choice sa atin. I'll explain to you how to use this one because here, this one is very crucial. Ito po yung ano namin, Hotify. Kapag walang, minsan kasi yung Siargao, mahina talaga yung signal dito po sa Wi-Fi. Kaya kung gusto niyo pong mag-order, pwede kayong gumamit nito. Ganyan. So much better, gagamit na lang kayo ng Telegram. Kasi second option
Chat
namin
na lang
to.
namin kayo
Yes po.
for orders.
Yes. Kasi libre po yung breakfast niyo eh.
So yung breakfast nyo ay plated?
Yes
Dito
po.
nyo dadalhin?
Dito talaga namin dadalhin sa labas.
Oh.
Much better, ma'am, kapag mag-pre-order kayo. For example, mamaya mag-order na kayo kung anong gusto niyo i-serve bukas. May mga allergy po ba kayo?
Wala mo.
Wala naman.
Sa toxic na tayo.
Oh,
Parang may pinag-
Kaya magutan. May ugat. Ugat?
Siargao Beach Club.
Yes, apakaganda.
Ngayon, ma'am, for this day, sabi kasi may parang schedule daw regarding the parties.
Oh, yes sir, may schedule po. Every day po, every gabi may schedule po.
Iba-ibang bar.
Yes po.
Okay. Ano ngayon?
Ewan ko, basta ang alam ko, bukas, Friday, is parang, Saturday pala foam party, Saturday.
Oh,
Sa Siargao Beach Club?
Yes.
Wow, bukas.
Bukas na lang tayo doon.
Ay, parang Sabado ba bukas?
Hindi, Friday pa lang bukas. Ikaw gusto mo na mag-weekend, ma'am, ah. Weekend na.
Kasi didayos kasi ako bukas eh, kaya.
Sarap, pa-party din.
Kaya pag
Ako, yung gym ni ma'am, magkano?
Jimny 4-5.
Per day? Pwede na.
Opo, 5,000 lang yung 5 door.
Pwede na. 3 door lang kailangan mo eh.
Oo, 3 door lang tayo kahit sa likod ako.
Kahit walang bubong, okay?
Naman.
Joke lang.
sports car yun mo.
Joke lang.
Walang bubong.
Oo. Joke
Mas
lang.
mayaman.
Yeah.
Ang mabilis na kayo dito.
Kami mag-asawa.
Oh, ang galam. Wala.
Dapat sinama nyo.
Kaya, kung alam lang na...
Kami ng jowa para sa akin.
Oo nga.
Kasama ko lang.
Mama, that's...
Dalawa na.
Siya, ma'am, di mo tatanungin kailan taon. Guys, ang ganda ng place. Just the shower and the bathtub. So this one is the toilet. Nice job, Kev. This is a place really nice.
Ito po yung toothpaste. Toothpaste, toothbrush, face towel, and then hand towel. Okay. So
guys, grabe. Ang ganda ng CR nila. May bathtub pa, oh.
Oo nga.
It's a nice place. Grabe.
May ano po kami dito, sir. Security bath. Ito po yung mini bar namin. Kapag gusto nyo yung ice, tapos ito po, complimentary coffee namin to. It's up to you kung iinumin nyo. May capsule po dito.
Uy.
And also, may green tea po kami dyan. Tapos may sugar na rin dito po.
Ito, ma'am, complimentary din to.
Hindi.
Ay,
Ito po yun. Okay lang. Ito lang po yung mga parts.
alright.
We can buy some snacks.
Yeah, we can buy.
no, they said
no,
we can
we can
buy.
bring it here.
Oh,
Yeah, we can buy it here.
Ito na po yung Welcome chocolate cake.
You know, welcome, oh.
Sige, ma'am.
Thank you po,
Request na lang
ma'am.
kami ng extra na pillow and blanket.
Okay lang po yung request kayo.
Request na lang kami ng pillow.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you, ma'am lab. Alright. This is a really nice place. Guys, this is our room. Room tour. So, isa siyang malaki. Kasya na lang tayo dyan. Yeah. Love tayo dyan.
Daddy, chill.
So, meron pa tayong this here. CR is really nice. Plus yung shower sa kabila. Pero ang pinakamaganda dito, and I think ang babayaran mo talaga dito is the view. Wow. The view is really nice. So, from your room, you have access to the beach, guys. You have your own pool, and it's very private. Wow. Guys, check natin yung beach. Wow. Puta na naman, guys. Oh, ang taas ng mga waves. Ooh. It's nice. Ito yung tutuluyan natin, guys. Yan, may sarili siyang pool. Everything is a really nice place. Tara, kain muna tayo, guys. Gutom na tayo. Ako tayo makakainan. Where do you wanna go?
Yung 3 kilo pa.
so good.
Meron na, kuya?
Saan pwede kumain ng masarap?
Masarap, sarap na seafood.
Di ko masyadong makarecommend kaya hindi ako taga dito.
Hindi ka dali dito? Kuya, saan masarap na seafood?
Kung gusto nyo sa Emilias, kasagaran po dito sa Basilio. Basilio po to sa Emilias po, isa lang po yung may-ari.
Ah, malapit lang ba yun?
Kapasok po tayo sa Isla Cabana, kunti lang, hindi ko naman po masyadong logo.
Ilang kilometro?
Mga galing dito no, mga bala po, mga mga 5 minutes and 4 minutes lang.
5 minutes.
5 minutes? Oh, pwede
You
na.
wanna go to Kuya's suggestion?
Kuya
He
suggested
said
the restaurant. Do you want to try?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Seafood yun, no, Kuya?
Seafood yun, kuya.
May mga crabs, tapos may mga malaking isda.
Ah, okay.
Oh, sige,
Kasi
sige.
ba kaming tatlo dito?
Oo, kasi yan.
Oh, guys, riding the
This is like India.
tuk-tuk, yeah. Okay, so punta tayo sa suggested restaurant ni Kuya. It smells nice. The bar.
Gusto nyo sabihin ng iyaw-iyaw ng mga barbecue. Ang sikat dito, ma'am, sir, BB's ang katang ng barbecue, most BB's.
Babies.
Katang ng barbecue doon papuntang Cloud9. Ang katang na ang BB's dito sa Tugisin mo.
BB.
Kapag gusto nyo mag-party,
Oo nga, saan ka?
ang party ngayon, Ben and Bro.
Ben and Bro.
Yeah.
Noted.
Noted, kuya. Kasi may mission kami, kuya eh. Kailangan namin hanap ng jowa tong pinsan ko eh. Doon, Ben and Bro, saan banda yun?
Ituro ko na lang sa inyo.
Yo, today, ano
Ben and
pangalan?
Bros.
Ben and Bros. Bukas, Barbosa,
Ako sa tapos Salana.
Harana.
Uso pa ba yan, Kuya, yung haran?
Uso pa ba ang harana?
Oo.
Ito ko yung Ben and Bro.
Ito.
This is Ben and Bro. Ben and Bro.
What time does it start?
Ako dito mga 9 o'clock, mga 9, 9:30, parang ganun.
9 to
9 to 9:30.
Pero kasagaran po ang daming tao, mga 9:30 at 10.
Uy, oh, fire. Uy, oh, fire.
Para bang walang fire sa...
Ito po yung Emilias. Ayan po, may mga seafoods. Dito lang kayo.
Sige. Alright, we're here.
Authentic to, para
Mukhang authentic to, mukhang pang local to, kuya.
Oo, saglit na po.
Sige, tabi muna tayo.
Saglit lang tayo. Tawag na lang kayo kung gusto nyo
Ay.
magpasundo.
Oo.
Hey, Kuya, thank
Oo,
you.
kung gusto nyo magpasundo, message lang kayo.
Hindi, wait lang, hahanapin ko pa yan. Wait lang, Kuya Alvin, picturean natin.
Thank you, Kuya.
Thank you, Kuya Alvin.
Para ako na lang po mag-tour guide sa inyo.
Alright, sige. Bye-bye. So guys, andito tayo sa Amelia. So, narecommend to nung ni Kuya Alvin, yung nagdidrive kanina ng tuk-tuk. So, another tip, kapag nasa bago lugar ka, ask the locals, di ba? Kasi wala to sa Google reviews na hinahanap namin sa mga suggested ng AI. So, it feels really authentic. Wala siya sa main road, guys, dito siya sa looban. But let's see. I think it's really good, guys. It's very local.
I wanna sit somewhere
We're-
near
Yeah, the fan, so it's not that hot.
I feel
Local.
like Kuya.
Yeah. What do you want, Kev? I want a
You
beer.
wanna, crab na
person.
steam.
Everything except the fish. I'm good on fish today.
I don't want the fish.
Because we had yesterday.
Okay, it's okay.
So we can do crab.
Squid
We
and
can,
shrimp is good.
Yeah, crab,
Yeah,
shrimp,
sure.
and squid.
Yeah.
So what kind of
What kind of?
luto do
Oh
you
yeah,
want? Whichever one you want.
Butter garlic? I don't know.
For the crab.
yeah, sure.
Okay. And then for the squid, wanna do grilled?
Okay.
Yeah, grilled. And then for the shrimp,
What is halabo sweet? Yo, yeah, you can just pick the last one.
The steam.
You like the steam? Okay.
Yeah.
Whatever you want, whatever flavor you want.
so what we can do is maybe steam with Sprite on this one, and then buttered garlic
Okay.
on the shrimp.
Okay.
But if you want buttered garlic on crab, it's okay.
I don't.
All right, let's
Steam
go.
with
That sounds
Sprite.
good.
Yeah, sure.
That sounds good.
And then for the rice,
Always rice.
so they want you want you don't eat that much rice.
I'm gonna eat rice.
You want to eat rice? All right.
Plain
Good.
rice or fried rice?
They have like different
Yes,
kinds.
Yam chow, seafood. Let's not do
But-
seafood, I think.
Yeah.
So
What's
look,
yang chow? I don't know.
Chinese.
It's Chinese fried rice.
Ako plain lang.
It's just too plain. The food already has flavor.
Yep.
Yep.
Rice sauce or whatever.
Or do you want vegetable? Okay.
Yeah.
Stir fried, broccoli.
Broccoli, yeah.
Broccoli sauce. Saute or with oyster sauce?
Either one is good.
Saute garlic. Is it okay?
The
Yeah. One of the drinks. Watermelon.
Ate.
I'm gonna go with juice.
yeah, can add like no added sugar. I mean, like you know how sometimes
Yeah.
They
Yeah,
add
like just
sugar?
pure.
yeah. Can they just do the fruit itself?
You wanna, how many pieces do you want?
Oh, just one.
Just one?
One crab for me is good.
Ah, really? Talaga? Ah, so we're the ones gonna choose.
Oh God. Okay.
Wow, authentic.
Buhay pa ang crab. Ah, no, buhay pa.
Ilang piraso po?
Galaw
Ano
pa.
yung anong kasarian yan, kuya?
Oo nga, kuya.
Lalaki ba yan? Babae?
Lalaki naman, pero may mga laman yan kasi pinipili namin, di namin din-display yung kaya.
Ah, okay. Tatlong
Tag-isa
malaki.
na lang kayo.
Tigisan na lang po kami.
Eh, Diyos ko, kuya.
Ooh, wild. Ooh. Yeah, they're alive.
You scared?
It's alive.
Sino mo, lalaban na siya, oh.
Oh. Walang laban yan, kuya. Kay kuya pa.
Sige, kuya,
Ma'am, ano
laban.
pong luto natin dyan?
Steam with Sprite. Pusit, ihaw.
Pusit, ihaw.
Pwede po. Pumili na lang kayo sa pusit.
Dagdag-
Kararating lang to, sir.
Tapos
Ito,
ito,
grill.
na, grill.
Grill.
Oh, hipon.
Hipon. Ito.
Yan, dagdagan nyo, babe.
Yan yung price kung gusto mo.
Mahina
kuya.
sa kanin, wala ka.
Wala ka sa ulam,
Gusto
kuya.
namin yung matakaw mo para
Oo.
Oo, alam ko, kuya,
Oh,
gusto mo yan.
good
eh.
for business. Guys, dito sila nagluluto. Oh. Ang kita mo.
Okay na yan, sige kuya. Butter garlic. Tapos ano, tatlong plain rice. Anong drinks mo?
And tawag dito, watermelon juice. What juice do you like, Kev?
Watermelon juice,
no added
sugar.
Wala pong asukal, ma'am.
watermelon sugar. Lahat walang asukal. Okay.
Trying
Bayad
to-
na ba? Oh, sige. Mamaya.
Mamaya na lang.
Thank you!
Good, we pay later.
Yeah, we pay later. Yeah. Thank you.
Oh, I like this.
Sige, Daddy.
Go ahead, Kev. You can eat. Go ahead, Kev. Guys, tara, kain tayo.
Broccoli.
Broccoli para healthy. Oh, the crab. Thank you po. Wow.
Wanted 4?
Yeah. 3 is good enough. Do you want to use our hands? We can use our hands, no?
Yeah, it's kind of hard for me.
Ooh.
Target locked.
Show them, right? Like Mark Wings, huh? They'll get used to it.
Yeah, I hope so.
Shouldn't we ask for sauce?
Yeah.
Yeah. Pwede po makisuyo ng suka para sa ano? Oh, thank you po, ma'am. Oh my God, bro! Look.
All of them?
Yeah. We came at the right time.
Yeah, we did.
That's when you know it's a good restaurant, right?
That's right.
Guys, lipat natin yung camera. Ang dami pa rin kumakain dito.
There's a lot of people.
Yeah. Although there's no space, I think they have to wait.
Alright, let's eat.
I think people usually eat dinner here then.
Around 7, 6, 7.
Before they party.
So in the US, you don't usually eat rice, right?
Like a lot of Americans eat like bread, pasta, a lot of burgers,
A lot of burgers.
pizza.
Isa to sa pinakamalalaman na crab na nakain ko.
Ito.
Wow. Oh, man. Good.
Hihipon din.
Sayang. I'm glad that we only got 3 crabs.
We thought they were small or what?
Yeah, I thought they were
They're
small.
like small.
Yeah, because in our place, they're usually small.
They're
Yeah.
pretty small, yeah. I know.
Grabe.
What does grabe mean?
Huh?
What does grabe mean?
Grabe English. It's an expression. Wow.
Wow.
It's okay that we ate a bit much, but we didn't have lunch.
Yeah.
That's true. That's true.
Yeah.
We just had salad.
Had a salad. I don't feel as bad.
And you ran today. There's a bit of cardio.
Yeah, a bit of
And it's
cardio.
all protein. So,
Justified.
na-justify ko, guys.
Yeah, justified.
That's it.
You can do the whole boodle thing.
Yeah, I like
I
that.
like that too.
And the barbecue and the chicken and the fish.
Yeah.
That's good.
That will just chill tomorrow. Enjoy the
Well,
beach.
the nice thing because it's a private tour, so the food is only for us, you know. You done, Kev?
Full.
A lot of shrimp.
It's okay.
It's okay, Kev.
Better that more
I
than...
can't.
Yeah.
Nakakain, bibigyan na lang.
Thank you,
Yo,
Kev.
can you finish this?
I'm gonna try. I'm not gonna
Try to
promise.
finish it if you can.
Try, sayang eh.
Yeah, it's gonna go to waste.
Yeah. Thank you. You done?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get this, okay?
Yeah, finish that.
Yes! Go, babe.
You want to wash your hands? You can wash your hands.
Yeah, I'm gonna wash my
Yeah.
hands.
Guys, naiiwan tayo. Tayo yung pinakamatakaw, guys. Makakain, kakamayin ko lang. So yung message si Kuya Alvin na lang. Kasi malayo to eh, sa main road.
Ano?
Message na lang ulit si Kuya Alvin kasi malayo to sa main road.
Number.
Pinicturean ko kanina. Konti na lang guys, aalis na yung jeep.
Nice.
Yeah, man. You don't want food to waste, right?
Yeah, I don't want to waste it.
I'm gonna eat there.
It's good, bro. I like that, man. That's old Gene, bro.
Guys, we're done eating. Nabusog ka, Kev. Are you full? Did you like it?
I'm very full.
Alright.
It's delicious.
It was delicious, right? Alright, guys. Kapag gusto nyo kumain dito sa Emilia,
Stars.
yeah, 5 out of 5 stars, guys. So, kung gusto nyo ng seafood and lang nung crab kanina, you could try that place, guys. So, right now, we're gonna go back to our hotel. Let's go!